The government is now conducting an analysis of the country's energy demands. This was announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who said the analysis should help to determine how much renewable energy can be incorporated in the country's energy mix.
I think it is important for the government to signal that we want our energy sector to be supportive of our environment. As an island, we have a fragile environment, and our economy depends on our environment, particularly as it relates to tourism and agriculture. And therefore, the energy choices that we make must support our environment.
Mr. Holness was speaking yesterday at the groundbreaking ceremony for the Jamaica Public Service's 190-megawatt power plant in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. This plant, which is to use natural gas as its fuel source, is being built as part of the push to reduce and stabilize electricity cost by 2018. Mr. Holness says the government wants to see more investment in the energy sector as well as an expansion in renewable energy. He believes this project marks the beginning of many important things for Jamaica, especially with the project being locally funded.
This is not a small project by any means. 300 million US dollars of investment is not a small project. And I'm very happy to see that we were able to fund this project right here using Jamaican resources, Jamaican banks, Jamaican investors. That is indeed a milestone achievement for the Jamaican economy.